What if I told you that 5-year career plan is probably holding you back more than it's actually helping you? Yep, you know I said it. Now, here's the brutal truth. Most successful careers aren't planned, they usually evolve. Top of the morning, everyone. My name is Tshidi and I'm back with a brand new video. Today, we're breaking down a career myth that's been drilled into our heads since forever. The idea that you should know exactly where you'll be in the next 5 years. But the real truth is, that mindset might actually be keeping you stuck in this whole thing of where is my career taking me in the next 5 years. Now, here's the reality, the pressure of a 5-year plan. Let's be honest, how many of us have actually fumbled that classical interview question that people still do ask? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? The truth is, the question isn't just outdated, it's also very unrealistic considering that, careers do evolve. Same goes for when candidates actually ask about the career map. What is my career map going forward? Now, what you should also remember is that there was a recent LinkedIn survey found that over 70% of professionals end up in jobs that are unrelated to their degrees. That 5-year roadmap, most people abandon it by year 2. Real careers don't follow a GPS. They're more like a road with unexpected stops, detours, and most new destinations that you actually even didn't know existed. 3 years ago, I never thought I'd be upskilling myself on prompt engineering. Here I am trying to get my prompting up to speed. The second thing you should consider when it comes to this is that careers are not linear, and that's okay. I have a few friends who fell into recruitment, and most of them have actually started recruitment when I started. They got into it by mistake. They then pivoted into client relation managers or even HR product managers. They're currently thriving, and none of that was part of that original plan. It wasn't part of that 5-year plan. Now, the key thing that you should remember here is that most growth happens when you're actually not clinging to a rigid path, but when you're actually following more your curiosity and solving problems and trying to lead more into what you actually are strong at and what energizes you. And your career isn't just a ladder, it's more a jungle gym. You climb, you swing, you even drop a little bit, but you keep on moving forward. That's the beauty about the careers that we should be looking at. Number 3, what do you focus on instead then? Let's say you don't have to focus on that linear career path that I'm talking about. So if the 5-year plan is flawed, then what should you do instead? Well, here's what works. Try and follow learning, not titles. Ask yourself, what do I actually want to learn next? What is that next thing that I actually want to get myself involved in? Number 2, plan in 12 to 18 month sprints. That's enough time to actually gain the mystery, to adjust and pivot when you need to, and also try and stay adaptable. The best opportunities usually aren't the ones that you actually predicted. They are the ones that you're actually ready to seize when they come your way. Think of your career like building a playlist, not a vinyl album. You don't need to know track 12. Just pick the next song that fits the vibe, and then you go from there. The fourth thing that people then will ask themselves is, how do I answer this dreaded question anyway? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years without actually sounding lost? Try this answer. I'm actually focused more on building deep expertise in area X while also trying to stay open to the growth opportunities, because I also know that careers evolved in ways we often can't really predict. The reason why this answer works is that it's very professional, it's honest, and very forward thinking. Let's try and recap this, guys. Here's what I hope we've actually learned. The 5-year plan is outdated. Most careers don't actually unfold linearly. Number 2, growth comes from staying flexible and following your energy. What really energizes you? What gets you excited? And number 3, focus on short-term learning goals and try to be as adaptable as possible. Here's the challenge for you guys. Let's get off that need to actually try and figure it all out and start focusing on what energizes you right now so that you can actually build your career going forward. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that's actually designed to help you navigate your career path with confidence and skill. Drop a comment below. Has your career gone the way you actually planned it? I'd love to hear your story. Until we meet next time, peace.